starting out today's look using the Artist Palette by the Makeup Chamber, and I'm using this purple shade just to begin in my transition area. I'm just basically packing that color on, building it up to get more pigmentation. The shadow is pigmented, but I really wanted that purple to be very vibrant. So next I'm going in with this pink fuchsia shade, and I'm adding that right above where I added the purple and doing the same process, packing it on and then blending. I didn't show it here in this portion of the video, but I did go in with the yellow from the palette as well to help build out the pink. And then now I'm going to cut my crease using my concealer. I love doing cut crease looks. I think that they complement my hooded lids, and you can see the shadows much better with doing a cut crease. And I haven't been posting much here on YouTube very often. It's because I've been building up my platform over on Instagram. And if you aren't following me on Instagram, make sure that you follow me. My handle is The Real One-Handed Bandit. And you'll see most of my looks there on Instagram first. So next I'm going in with this blue shade from the palette, and I'm just going to pack that onto my outer V of my eye and just slowly build up the color. And then next I'm going back in with this pearlescent shade. It's kind of white, but it has like a champagne hue to it. I'm just adding that to the inner portion of my lid and making sure that it blends into the blue as well. I do add a liquid liner off camera, and these lashes are by More Lashes, and they are in the style Drama Queen. So for primer, I'm using the Fenty Beauty primer. I'm just adding that to my skin, which is very dry, but this is hydrating. And I'm also going to be using the Fenty Beauty foundation as well. I know it looks very orange, but we do know how Fenty Beauty foundation oxidizes, and you'll see in a moment how everything just blends in nicely. So next I'm using the L'Oreal Full Wear Concealer, just adding that under my eye and also down the bridge of my nose, and just blending that out with a Real Techniques brush. I don't show the clip in the video, but I do use the Fenty Beauty setting powder as well. And to set the rest of my face, I'm using my Jouer Cosmetics Hydrate Plus Set setting powder, and this is in the shade Dark. And then going back into the palette once again to add this orange shade to my lower lash line. Just gonna basically pack the color on and blend it out just a little bit below my lash line. And then for inner corner highlight, I'm using the Crayon Case glowcaine loose highlighter and just adding that to the inner portion of my eye. Because I use that white pearlescent shade, it's going to help with that pop in the inner corner. Next, I'm going to be using the Prime Beauty bronzer, and this is in the shade Bronzeville, and I'm just going to use that to bronze up my cheeks and to add just a little bit of color. And as you can see, that foundation blended out very nicely as it warmed up to the skin. And then I'm just going to set my face with my MAC Fix Plus. This is the Cherry Blossom version that they came out with. I believe it was last winter. Same product, just different packaging. And then for highlighter, I am also using the Crayon Case Honor Roll highlighter. I'm just adding that to my cheeks, to the center of my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, and the my cupid's bow as well. This is one of the most natural highlighters that I have ever had. You can go in very light, but you can also build it up to make that highlight pop as well. So now for lips, I'm using the Crayon Case lip liner in the shade Bare, and I'm just going to use that to line my lips. And for my liquid lipstick, I'm going to use the Fenty Stunna lip paint in this shade Unbutton, and just adding that to the center of my lips and making sure I blend it out, because we don't want that harsh brown line, because that is definitely not cute. And because I wanted a glossy lip, I'm using the Artist Couture lip gloss in the shade Le Freak. And that is it for today's video. I hope that you have enjoyed. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and also leave me a comment down below in the comment section, and I will be seeing you in the next video.